Welcome to my new workout space. Yes, I just moved and this is my new office space. It is a bit smaller and I share it with my wife. But with that, I wanted to go over how I'm using this space in order to continue doing my workouts from home. Yes, I do have a garage that actually has quite a bit more space this time around. I also have a living room I could do this in and whatnot, but I wanted to see, can I still use my office space with the equipment I have in order to keep a small footprint and get the results I'm looking for. With that, I did measure this room in total, and it comes out to about a 10 by 10 space, or 100 square feet. The closet itself is about 8 feet by 2 feet, so double the width, I guess this would be the length, of the closet, but the depth of it is only about 2 feet, which is similar to my other one in the past. The room itself, though, is all carpeted, so before it was all wood that I was working out on, so now it is carpet, which could change how my equipment is used with my workouts. Think of the 1-2 Fit pull-up tower or the flybird bench. It might not be as stable as doing it from a wood surface. But jumping back to the closet, this does have a sliding door in front of it, so anything greater than 2 feet will not fit in the closet in order for me to close it, which I would like to do when I'm not working out. Now, when I moved to the new space, I thought my only option was going to be using my resistance bands home setup. However, I have been able to maneuver my dumbbells and body weight option to properly fit in the space. And I did make one more adjustment so that I have a little bit more room and my wife gets a little bit more space in that closet as well. Now, the one change I did make is that I am removing the stand for the Core Fitness adjustable dumbbells. This was taking up a lot of space in the closet and it barely fit. It also made the 1-2 Fit pull-up tower fit very poorly in the closet, so I have removed that. So it is just the cradles. Do note you need the cradles in order to change the weights of the Core Fitness dumbbells. So I have removed that, and it does all fit a lot better and a lot more snug, and it looks a lot prettier inside the closet. Not only that, but it does also open up more space for my wife to use it if she wants her other half of the closet as well. Now, it is a little unfortunate losing the stand because I loved picking up the dumbbells from my waist height. I also didn't have the issue of the cradle sometimes attaching to the dumbbells. This is pretty common with adjustable dumbbells with the cradle, that sometimes when you have a lot of weight in them, when you pick them up, the cradle goes along with it. So I will have to get over that by putting my foot on it real quick just to make sure it doesn't get picked up with it. But do know, I am using just the cradle and dumbbells now, going back to the old school method that I used for years and years and years before ever buying the stand itself. So I did make a post on the YouTube community page asking what you guys want me to use as my workout equipment, and the results came back overwhelmingly for the dumbbell and bodyweight home gym setup. Now, because I thought I was only able to use resistance bands, I did do that for the first week being here, but again, once I changed everything, it does fit now, so I am going to swap back over to what you guys wanted and continue with the dumbbells and bodyweight. Personally, this is my favorite way to work out and fits the plan that I built, the workout plan, over at GamerBody.com. By the way, it is free if you want to check it out. But that plan fits so well with dumbbells and body weight that it just feels right to use it. So I will be swapping back to that workout program for the foreseeable future. Now, when it comes to actual workout space in this office, the space available isn't very much, as it's about 72 inches by 60 inches or 6 feet by 5 feet. So that's not a lot of room. I'm going to show some pictures of what that looks like in the room for things like my flybird adjustable bench and the 1-2 Fit pull-up bar. But do know it's not a lot of space, but it can fit. So if you're in a small space like an apartment building, your own home like I am, even something, I don't know, smaller than that, tiny garage or something, you can fit all this in a very small space and store it in a 2x4 foot size closet. So that is awesome. Again, I'm trying to keep everything minimal as I can, buy items that can be used for multiple exercises, and really try to save money overall because the things are getting really, really expensive. And I don't think the average person needs all that much in order to get in really good shape by building muscle and confidence, all from the comfort of your home. And regardless of the equipment you use, just make sure you are using it properly. Again, I have a free workout program over at GamerBody.com where I list out the plan, and then on a separate page for the exercises, I have mapped it to the plan. So if you're using something like resistance bands, you would look at the plan, you'd see what the exercise was, then go to the resistance section, find that exercise on the main list, and see what it would be for resistance bands as well. So check it out if you want to get a free program. Again, there's nothing else you need to do. Click on the link and you are good to go. And you will be copying the exact plan I follow in my home gym.